Hello, everybody, and welcome to Shaolin TTV YouTube. Welcome, everybody. Today, I am fundraising for the Brantford Community Health Center, BCHS. I am doing a update for the BCHS fundraising stream for Shaolin TTV and the COVID-19 victim relief. Here is the link, everybody, for the COVID-19 victim relief fund for the Brantford Community Health Center. The Brantford Community Health Services is doing a COVID victim relief fund right here for the community of Brantford, Ontario. Namaste, everybody. I'm Shaolin from Twitch TV. Welcome, everybody, to the live stream here on YouTube. There's some beautiful weather outside. It's raining right now, though. Just pouring outside at the moment. But yes, everybody, welcome to the channel. Please support the Brantford Community Health Services with the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund. The link is right there in the chat. If you check chat, everybody, and check out the link. Don't forget to check out Morning Daily Events Worldwide as well. But yes, everybody, welcome to the Shaolin TV channel. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you all so much for joining me here on the live stream. I'd like to talk about the BCHS fundraiser and just how much they're doing for the Brantford community. The BCHS has been helping the Brantford community for several weeks now in the COVID-19 fight to help keep its citizens safe as they've put those that are affected by it in isolation in the hospital, and they're trying to do their very best to treat those who have symptoms, those who are calling in. We have a very good system here in place, a very good healthcare system here in place that is trying to help us fight COVID-19 here in Brantford, Ontario, and keep the citizens safe. The workers are dedicating their very lives by being on the front line at the Brantford Community Health Center, everybody, and the Brantford Hospital, Brantford General. Please donate to COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund for the BCHS. You'll see the link there in the chat, everybody. Please share that link on social media, either Twitter, Facebook, or Discord. Please share that link, everybody. Share that link right there, the BCHS Foundation link. It'll probably end up here in the comments after this video is done. This link over here will probably end up in the comments below or in the description below. But yes, everybody, please like the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to check out Blonde AMBITI029YT as well. I'm Shaolin, Twitch TV here in Brantford, Ontario, coming at you live, fundraising for the COVID-19 for the BCHS Foundation, the thankyouforcaring.org website for the Brantford Community Health Services Foundation, everybody. I am trying to help the COVID-19 situation here myself by trying to get some kind of funding, some kind of help from somebody to the Brantford Community Health Services so we can fight here as well. I mean, there's so many people out there right now and so many families and so many loved ones out there that are being affected by COVID-19, and it breaks my heart. It really does. It breaks my heart to see how fast this is spreading, to see how devastating this is, and to see how this affects us all. That is why I'm trying to do my very best to fundraise for the Brantford Community Health Center and the World Health Organization as well. So the Brantford Community Health Center link is in chat. The foundation thankyouforcaring.org. Here is the COVID-19 fundraiser for the World Health Organization as well, everybody. Please donate to that as well and show your support to the World Health Organization as well. You can also go through Google and look up the United Nations fundraiser as well at twitch.tv/Shaolin. That's twitch.tv/Shaolin, everybody. You can check out the fundraisers right there. All the fundraisers for the homeless, for the Tucson Medical Center, the Children's Miracle Network Health Center, and the homeless fundraiser, the Teresa Burns fundraiser. The Teresa Bernstein fundraiser has been going for quite a while now. The Tucson Medical Center fundraiser has been going for a while now. It's been such a long time since Blonde Ambition and I have been doing these fundraisers. We're putting in so much work and doing all we can to support who we can, to try and help those in need, to try and help those on the streets, to try and help those. With our homeless fundraising program, we raised $90 so far. Blonde is a little happy about that, but a little disappointed at the same time, as Blonde Ambition has been doing that fundraiser now for about 9 months. But yes, everybody, be sure to donate to teamtrees.org and check out teamtrees.org, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Once again, thank you so much for joining me here on Shaolin Twitch TV, YouTube. And welcome, everybody. I am doing my very best to try and do what I can as a first responder, as a part of this community, to do something good for the community. Once again, there is the World Health Organization full link for the fundraiser for the World Health Organization. And the full link for the Brantford Community Foundation, the BCHS Foundation, everybody. You can also get some BCHS shirts to support the foundation as well at merch.streamelements.com/Shaolin. Let me just type that in chat for you folks. You can see the merch store. There are BCHS shirts there that support the BCHS Foundation. They are $35. $15 goes to Stream Elements, and then the $20 goes towards the BCHS for a donation with every shirt sold. So please check that out, everybody. I'll be leaving a link in chat as well. For the merch store, where you can get the BCHS shirts that support the Brantford Community Health Center. There you go. merch.streamelements.com/Shaolin, everybody. There's the merch store for the merchandise that helps the BCHS. But yes, everybody, support teamtrees.org as well. Teamtrees.org was started by Mr. Beast and the Arbor Day Foundation in order to save the planet. They wanted to plant 20 million trees, and now they've planted well over 20 million. Keep those trees coming, everybody. Teamtrees.org. Do your part, $1, one tree. But yes, everybody, welcome to the live stream. Namaste. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I see that viewer there. Thank you so much for joining me. Smash that like button. Smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to check out Blonde and BITI029 YT on YouTube. And don't forget to check out Blonde_AMBITI029 on Twitch TV as well, as she has several fundraisers that I'm helping her do with her channel, as I am part of her fundraising team. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, everybody, here as I am live streaming this on YouTube right now, fundraising for the COVID-19 for the BCHS in Brantford, Ontario, and its community. I hope everybody in the community of Brantford, Ontario is staying safe. I hope everybody in the community is self-isolating and listening to the rules and doing what they can to keep their families safe and keep themselves safe from spreading COVID-19. And those of you that do have it, my prayers and thoughts are with you as you battle through this unrelenting struggle, this horrifying ordeal you must be going through with COVID-19 to all those who have it. I can't imagine what it's like. I've heard so many stories, so many horror stories from people on the news and news coverage and interviews from people who are battling with COVID-19, how awful and how devastating this can be. So please do your part today and help the Brantford Community Health Center with a donation to the COVID-19 Victims Relief Fund, everybody. Okay, I've got some water in this cup. I got some clear water in this cup. Yes, everybody, who's liking the merch? Check that out. Not awesome? It's empty now. This one's really awesome. I designed that one on Stream Elements as well. And then there's this one that I just filled with water not too long ago. This one had coffee. That's why I had two cups. I had one with coffee, one with water. So when I was done my coffee, I could still have a drink of water. But yes, everybody, welcome. Once again, thank you so much for joining me here on Shaolin Twitch TV on YouTube. I do have some gaming content. I have a lot of IRL content here on my channel as I am now fundraising for the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund for the BCHS, the World Health Organization, and the United Nations. So you can see those links in the chat, folks. You can see those links in the chat. They'll probably end up in the chat below in comments, or they might end up in the live chat play if it plays up beside it. But yes, everybody, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for joining me. I urge you, please stay indoors. Please stay inside. Please stay safe as we are all battling against COVID-19 and trying to do our very best to stay safe. I urge you, self-isolate, everybody. Stay indoors. Only go outside if it's necessary. If it's absolutely necessary, then and only then I urge you to go outside. However, please stay indoors, as they are now considering groups of 5 or more a risk to the public in Ontario here. I will be right back, everybody. I'm going to take a short 1-minute break. I'll be right back. Please be patient and donate to the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund. Once again, here is the Victim Relief Fund link for Brantford, Ontario's BCHS. I'll be right back. Please be patient. Okay, everybody, I am back. Welcome back to Shaolin TTV here on YouTube, and welcome back to the fundraiser for the Brantford Community Health Center and Brantford Community Health Services, as I am trying to raise funds for their COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund. I really want to do the best I can here, folks. I really want to urge everybody to stay inside, self-isolate, do your part, Ontario. Do your part, Canada. Stay inside, self-isolate, keep yourself safe. Again, it's not the end of the world. It is a pandemic. Let's hope it doesn't turn into an endemic. And let's stay safe, everybody. Please donate to the COVID-19 Victim Relief Funds for the BCHS and the World Health Organization, as they need our funding now more than ever as this continues to grow. It continues to spread. Canada now with over 40,000 cases. This is truly something that is actually devastating. It is really, really horrible to have this happen. I don't think anybody could have saw this coming. Stephen Hawking tried to warn us in 2018. He said it may be this, it may be that, it may be this. But then, if everybody listened to theories, we'd all be going to hell in a handbasket. Truth is truth, folks. And the truth is, this is a deadly virus, and you need to stay inside and self-isolate and practice self-isolation and safe social distancing. If you must go out, only go out for essential travel. Do not go outdoors for non-essential travel, such as rendezvous with friends, going to parks, or simply going down to the river. Do not go out in public areas or large public areas in large public groups. Practice safe social distancing in the community of Brantford and help keep your community safe. I urge you, everybody, practice safe isolation. Practice social distancing. Don't be foolish. Don't go out there partying, going on beaches, drinking, sharing bottles, doing whatever you do. Just whatever you're thinking you want to do right now, like running outside and running around, doing all this stuff. Don't do it. Don't be foolish. Keep yourself indoors. Keep yourself safe. Only go out for essential travel. That's absolute essential travel. Food, necessities for either cleaning or bathroom products or things you will absolutely need. Only absolute essential travel is necessary at this time. Do not go out, say, for ice cream or treats or munchies or whatever you want to go out for. That is not an essential service. If it is not for food, if it is not for important supplies, it is not for absolute essentials, then don't go out. Stay safe. Keep yourself inside. Nice fresh coffee. But yes, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Shaolin TTV here on YouTube. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, as I am now fundraising for the Brantford Community Health Services here in Brantford, Ontario. Do your part to keep the Brantford community safe, everybody. Do your part. Stay indoors. Self-isolate. Groups of 5 or more will not be allowed to roam the streets. If you're in if you're in a group of 5 or more, you'll be stopped. You will be questioned. You will probably be told to go home, as they are cracking down on self-isolation here and urging more and more people to isolate, as Canada now has over 40,000 cases. I watch the COVID-19 map every day, folks. Every day I watch the COVID-19 map and I make sure that I'm up to date on the COVID-19 situation, the current COVID-19 situation. I watch the map. I make sure that I'm doing my part to stay isolated. I make sure that I'm doing my part to keep my area, my community safe by practicing safe social distancing, only going out for absolutely essential needs, and safe social distancing, and keeping myself isolated since this began, since this outbreak even began, since this thing hit. As soon as I heard about this, I was like, oh, lockdown. I'm going on lockdown. Better start helping the organizations. Better start doing this. Better start seeing what we can do. And I watch the current map all the time. If anybody here in Brantford, Ontario wants a map including Brant Community Health Center, there is a COVID-19 map from the dashboard of the CSSE at Johns Hopkins University. And I'm going to put that in the link chat right here. Put that in the link. There you go, chat. There you go. There's the link to the map. Once again, here is the link for the map right here, the ArcGIS map for the COVID-19 current situation. And I'm just going to go take a look at that map now and keep you guys updated. Okay, so the total confirmed cases across the world right now, 2,682,225 cases. Total deaths across the world, 187,330. Recovered, 732,500 or 647. So 732,647 recovered. Across the United States, conducted tests 4,493,106. Right now, currently, there are 122,021 people in hospital and isolation, stemming from New Jersey, New York, Illinois, Florida, Georgia, Massachusetts, and Maryland. Here are some of the numbers. 57,103 hospitalized in New York. 7,210 hospitalized in New Jersey. 4,984 hospitalized in California. 4,665 hospitalized in Illinois. 4,018 in Georgia. Almost 4,000, 3,977 hospitalized in Massachusetts. There's some cases in Canada now as well. Lots of cases in Canada here in Ontario and across Canada. 42,560 people affected by coronavirus in Canada. Please, everybody, I urge you, as I am watching the map daily, folks, I watch the map to try and keep myself safe, to keep my loved ones safe. I urge everybody, please practice safe social distancing as we are now in this pandemic together, as we're in this pandemic together as humanity, as we're in this pandemic together as people. Please, I urge you, come together, do what you can, stay safe, stay inside, isolate now, everybody, stay inside and stay safe. This is Twitch TV Shaolin from Brantford, Ontario, coming at you right here live on the Shaolin TTV channel, fundraising for the Brantford Community Health Services and the Brantford Community Health Center for BCHS, with COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund, along with the World Health Organization fundraiser. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Be sure to subscribe. Welcome to my channel, and namaste. Thank you, everybody, for coming by the channel today. Thank you for checking out the live stream as I continue to try and raise money for the Brantford Community Health Services here in Brantford, Ontario, for their COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund. Please donate anything you can. Donations can be made right there in the link, everybody. Right there in the link for the BCHS Foundation. The BCHS Foundation, thank you for caring. .org site. Everybody, check that out. Check that site. Click that link. Make sure you donate to the Brantford Community Health Services, everybody. Make sure you donate to the COVID-19 Victim Response Fund for the World Health Organization, as they need our help more than ever, as well as they are trying to develop a vaccine out in the UK as well to help fight COVID-19. Godspeed to all the scientists out there, and may they be blessed in their research to find a acting vaccine to help fight against COVID-19, one that is safe, one that is effective, and one that will help us get through this pandemic. Please donate to the first responders as well, everybody. The first responders of the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund, everybody, is going to be posted next here on the Shaolin TTV channel. 1 second. Just going to get the link. Here we go, folks. Here is the link. Again, here's another link here. This is the link for the United Nations First Responders link, everybody. The United Nations First Responders link to help the first responders who are battling with COVID-19. Every dollar you donate, they donate $2 for every dollar that you donate. Please donate to the fundraiser, everybody. Please donate to the fundraisers for the COVID-19 for the BCHS. Please donate to the fundraiser for the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund for the World Health Organization. And please donate to the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund for the United Nations Fund as well, everybody, through Google Donate. Welcome, everybody, to the stream. Thank you so much for joining me here on Shaolin Twitch TV. I appreciate it, everybody. I really appreciate all the viewers here today, everybody who has been coming by the channel today so far. Thank you all so much for joining me here on Shaolin Twitch TV as I am continuing to raise funds for the Brantford Community Health Center and the World Health Organization and United Nations as I'm trying to help them raise money for their cause. As a Brantford citizen and as a first responder, I must do whatever I can to help my community. And in order to help my community, I must promote these links and I must try and get them the help they need by getting these links out there, doing my part as a citizen here in Brantford, Ontario, and coming together to help them as they've helped me so many times with their great medical care, helping me with my seizures, helping me with PTSD and several other problems that I've had faced in the city before. The hospital has been there for me. They've helped me rather well. Their staff are great people. They're amazing staff. They do such a great job. So let's give back to them. Let's help them like they help so many of us, like they're helping so many of us battle with COVID-19 right now. Let's give back to the nurses on the front lines, to the doctors on the front lines. Let's give back to those who are putting their lives on the line to save our lives every day. Let's give back to the Brantford Community Health Services. Let's give back to the United Nations Fund. Let's give back to the COVID-19 World Health Organization Fund. Let's give back to the World Health Organization and thank them for their diligence in this matter and thank them for doing all they can in this matter to help us fight against COVID-19 by putting their lives on the line for ours. Please, everybody, I urge you, self-isolate. Stay indoors. Stay safe. Practice safe social distancing. Do not go out unless it's absolutely essential. If it is not essential travel, if it's not necessary travel, stay inside. Keep your loved ones safe. Keep yourself safe. Please, everybody, please support the Brantford Community Health Services. Please support the local fundraiser and the international fundraisers as well. Thank you so much for coming by the Shaolin Twitch TV channel. Namaste, everybody. Please smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the video on my channel. Check out the rest of the videos on my channel that are raising money for the COVID-19 Victim Relief Fund. Check out my Twitch TV at twitch.tv/Shaolin. That's twitch.tv/Shaolin, everybody. There's my Twitch channel right there, everybody. Check it out. Check out my fundraisers as well. Don't forget, check out Blonde Ambition on Twitch. There's Blonde Ambition's link right there on Twitch as well, everybody. It's twitch.tv/Shaolin, twitch.tv/Blonde Ambition. But yes, everybody, welcome and namaste. Please stay safe. Be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. Give me a like and a subscribe here. Be sure to smash that like button, everybody. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and do your part to help support my channel so I can help support this community, so I can keep supporting this community of Brantford Health Services. And this fundraiser will not stop here. This fundraiser will continue to go. This fundraiser will continue to support the BCHS long after COVID-19 is finished, long after the COVID-19 pandemic is done, long before this becomes an endemic. I will still be here supporting the Brantford Community Health Services with Brant Community Health Services merchandise to help support them, to help with donations, to help with donation efforts, and to help relieve some of the pressure that they're going through as a acting facility to help us here in our community. They've been doing so much to help us and putting their lives in the front line and doing so much putting their healthcare workers at risk for us to protect us. So let's get back to them like they've been doing for us over all these years. Let's give a little something back to our healthcare workers and help our healthcare workers the way they've been helping us. Let's give something back so they can continue helping us and help us fight this together. Hashtag Brantford Strong. Hashtag Fight COVID Together. But yes, everybody, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for joining me here on Shaolin Twitch TV on YouTube. This is completely out of control. We need people to start self-isolating now. We need people to stay indoors now before it continues to spread even more. Not even a month ago, Canada only had 10,000. Not even just a couple weeks ago, Canada had maybe 10, 15,000. Before that, 7,000. Now they have over 42,000. Stay inside. Self-isolate. Get indoors and stay safe. I urge you, get indoors, stay safe, self-isolate. Do not go out in groups larger than 3 or 5 people, as the Ontario government has urged against it. But yes, everybody, please stay safe, and please donate to the Brantford Community Health Services. The Brantford Community Health Services that have been doing this fundraiser have home care, patient care, inpatient care, outpatient care. Here's a little bit about them right now here on their donation page. Here's a little bit about their staff, as the current COVID-19 situation is placing a big damper on the healthcare staff. There's a little bit about the staff here and the donors on the site. You can check out the site. Here we go. A staff thank you to our donors. At the Brant Community Healthcare System BCHS Foundation, we are truly thankful to those individuals, corporations, businesses, and foundations who have chosen to invest helping build a strong healthcare system for Brantford community at BCHS. Discover all the recent donated gifts in the Brantford Community Healthcare System BCHS Foundation from our generous donors. Click here to see our view of our latest donors. So you can click there and see their latest donors. The BCHS Foundation donor wall is located in the main lobby of the Brantford General Hospital in the A wing beside the Tim Hortons. It recognizes donors who have donated $5,000 or more cumulatively. It puts your dollars to work with the healthcare system. They really are trying to do so much. They have cases for BCHS support, for COVID-19 support, for self-isolation support. They're trying to do so much and be a pillar of support for the community. They're trying to do so much to just come together and help us all in fighting this COVID-19 situation, everybody. The Brantford Community Health Center has done so much for its residents. It helps its residents so much. You got the Inca Relief Purchase Fund, the Inca Relief Fund, INCA or ICNA Relief Fund, ICNA Relief Fund, that supports the purchase of ventilators to the BCHS. $50,000 donated from the INCA Relief Fund. Thank you so much for that donation. That's absolutely amazing. Generous community donations of personal protective equipment were also donated. This hashtag Thankful Thursday, we want to thank the amazing companies and individuals who have donated PPE to the BCHS during this pandemic. We are overwhelmed by the generosity of our community. Keep it up. Hashtag Team Brantford. There we go. So hashtag Team Brantford and hashtag Thankful Thursday. So yes, let's call this a Thankful Thursday today, as I am thankful to everybody who has helped them so far, as I thank everybody who has helped them so far here on Thankful Thursday, as BCHS calls it. It's hashtag Thankful Thursday, everybody. As they thank the community, and I thank the community for all they've done so far. Hashtag Brantford Strong. Hashtag Fight COVID Together. Hashtag Thankful Thursday. Let's do this, folks. Let's come together right now as a community here and help the Brantford General Hospital Foundation, help the BCHS raise funds to help us fight COVID-19 here in Brantford, Ontario, and surrounding area. Please help our hospitals and our healthcare workers and the healthcare workers of the World Health Organization, and through the United Nations Fund. You can also donate to the World Health Organization workers as well, to the frontline workers. One goes to victim support, one goes to the frontline workers, one is the COVID-19 victim response for the World Health Organization for victims across the world, and one goes directly to the frontline workers, and then there's another one for the frontline workers and the victims of BCHS is that foundation. So the BCHS Foundation one for victims and workers as well. Through the BCHS donation link, you can donate to Brantford Community Health Services and continue to help them fight against COVID-19 by donating to their links. Please donate to the Brant Community Health Services here in Brantford, Ontario, and do your part as part of the community, as a visitor to Brantford, or as a tourist to Brantford, or just as a Brantford resident or a citizen here in Canada. Do your part. Do your part and donate anywhere from $1 to $5 to $10. Anything helps, folks. Anything helps when you donate to the Brantford Community Health Center. Anything helps when you donate to the BCHS. Anything helps when you donate to the World Health Organization. Anything helps when you donate to the United Nations. The United Nations Fund will also be doubling your donation. Every dollar donated, they will donate $2 for every dollar you donate to the Foundation for the United Nations. That's the Google one. Everybody, that's the Google link. for the United Nations frontline work. Also on Shaolin Twitch TV on Twitch. It's Shaolin on Twitch TV, everybody. Twitch.tv/Shaolin. Raising money to help the Brantford Community Health Center, the World Health Organization, and the United Nations. I hear so many people say, oh, they have so much money, there's so much money, there's so much money. If they had so much money, they'd be coming up with a vaccine, they'd be coming up with a better solution, and they'd be coming up with the help that we need as citizens and as people fighting COVID-19. They would come up with something better. If they had all this money that they had going into their resources, if they had all this extra money to do all this extra resources, but money equals resources, resources equals money. If they don't have the money, they don't have the funding, they don't have the resources, they don't have the resources, we don't have a cure. Come on, folks. Please donate. Please help. Please do what you can. Namaste. I'll be right back. The city of Brantford helps us in so many ways. The city helps us with food banks, healthcare, shelter systems. The city of Brantford and the Brantford Community Health Services have done so much already to help us. Please, everybody, donate to the links. Donate to the World Health Organization. Donate to the United Nations Fund. Donate to Brantford Community Health Services. Please share this video. Share the links, everybody. Share the live stream. Share social media. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell to stay updated, everybody. And please, donate to the Brantford Community Health Services. Take care, and until next time, please, namaste, stay safe, self-isolate. Take care, everybody. Be sure to check out the COVID-19 fundraisers. Be sure to check out the links. Check out the merch link. Check out the fundraiser link for teamtrees.org. Check out the merch link for BCHS and Twitch TV merch, everybody, and BCHS support. Please donate to the World Health Organization. Please donate to the United Nations link as well. And please donate to the Brantford Community Health Services Foundation. Thank you. Take care, everybody. And until next time, namaste and stay safe. #Brantford Strong.